Welcome to this Zoom training video. Today we're going to talk about the virtual background feature in your Zoom meeting. So to look at those features, we want to go to the virtual background setting. So if I come down to the meeting and click on the camera icon, there's a More button, and then I can choose virtual background. This will take me to the proper settings page. Now notice here, depending on your computer system requirements, you may be able to use a virtual background without a physical green screen, and you'd be able to choose these items automatically. At this point, my computer does not support that feature, so I have to click the I have a green screen, and then those features become enabled for me to choose from. So let's talk about how you can add some ISU themed virtual backgrounds to your Zoom meeting. So if you go to the Idaho State University webpage, specifically isu.edu/brand, we're going to click on the design templates. Now here there are a plethora of Zoom backgrounds that you can choose from, and I'm just going to click the download button for one of those. I'll save it onto my computer, and then we'll go ahead and add that to the Zoom meeting. So if I go back to the Zoom meeting and go back to the virtual background page, there's this plus icon that I can click on, and I can select Add Image. I can select that item from here and open, and now it's been added to my virtual background library. Now Zoom does a pretty good job of distinguishing the difference of what's the virtual background and what's the subject. But in some cases you might get an inverse effect like this, where it's not very clean and clearly the virtual background's not working. So you notice that I can manually pick a color on the virtual background. So in this case I'm going to choose pick a color, and then I'm going to pick a green pigment, and that should be the thing that Zoom removes from your background. And notice that once this is set up, I can choose different virtual backgrounds that I want at any point during the meeting. And so now you're set to use virtual backgrounds. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact the ITRC.